This is part 2 of our installation series on installing the BlackVue DR750S-2 channel dashcam system into the Tesla Model X. 12-volt power is supplied to this dashcam system via a typical cigarette lighter type plug. The problem with this is there are several features on the dashcam that we want to use that require power when the car is turned off. Those 12-volt outlets in the Tesla are not powered when the car is off. Therefore, we need to find a way to supply power to the dashcam continuously. The first way is to tap directly into the vehicle's 12-volt battery, and the second way is to tap into the vehicle's fuse box. A third way is to use the onboard diagnostics 2 port. This is a port that a mechanic would use to run diagnostics on your vehicle. 12-volt power is supplied to that port continuously whether the car is on or off. Here's what the OBD2 port receptacle looks like. It's located about where you would find the emergency brake release in most vehicles. So just to the left of your brake underneath the dashboard. To me, this is by far the cleanest option for powering the dash cams. So the dash cam comes with this 12-volt cigarette lighter type plug, and we need it to have this kind of plug on the end. So what I'll do in this video is show you how I created a cable that would allow the BlackVue dash cam to plug into the OBD2 port. There are 2 parts you'll need for this. The first one is a plug that can be plugged into the OBD2 port. And the second one is an extension cable for a cigarette lighter powered accessory. Of these new cables, what we'd like to keep is the highlighted end of the OBD2 memory saver cable and the highlighted end of this cigarette lighter socket extension cable. You cut those off with 10 to 12 inches, which is 25 to 30 centimeters of pigtail of cable, then set aside the section of each cable you won't be using. You'll then want to separate the red and black wires on each of the 2 cable sections. And after that, you'll want to strip maybe 40 millimeters of insulation off each of the 4 wires. Once you've done that, this is what you should have. And from here, I've included a few photos on how I completed the cable. So here's what it looks like now. You're seeing the OBD2 connector plugged into the OBD2 receptacle, and you can probably see where the other end of this goes, but you'll see more of that in the next video in this series, part 3. So that's it. I hope this video was useful to at least some people. If you have suggestions, anything you'd like to know, please enter them in the comments below, and I will do my best to come up with answers and or videos to describe what I've done. For example, I didn't go through the soldering process. There are probably many more of you who are more skilled at soldering than I am, but this worked for me. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and if you hit the bell icon, you'll be notified when part 3 of this video series is available. Thank you very much for watching.